suddenly and calls. I found a place beyond them all. Emerald waters, endless skies, a dream reflected in my eyes. Every breeze whispers my name, yet every moment feels the same. Peace is written